Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. And don't forget to like my page on Facebook and follow me on Instagram. Our recipe today is a delicious and traditional Syrian pudding called محلاية. محلاية means sweetened. This recipe is sweet but not too sweet, but will satisfy any sweet tooth. And I'm going to show you how to make it and decorate it step by step. Let's get started. Start out with 6 cups of whole fat milk. Don't turn your heat on yet. We're going to do this while it's still cold. Then add 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch. Then add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Give those a good mix with your whisk until it's all dissolved, then turn your heat on to medium. We're going to keep stirring until it warms up and it starts to thicken a little bit. Our next ingredient that we're going to add is mastic. Mastic is going to give it its stretchiness. I have here about 5 little tablets of mastic. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar because it makes it easier to grind together. Now you want to get this ready before your mixture thickens up. Now back to our milk mixture. We're going to keep stirring until it starts thickening up. So after it's thickened up just like this, we're going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to stir that in. You can reduce your heat to a medium-low just so we won't burn the bottom of the milk. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm adding the mastic that we grounded earlier. And this is the consistency that you want it to be. Now we're going to let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to start scooping it up into our bowls. So I wanted to show you these cute bowls that I found at the Dollar Tree. They sell them in a pack of 12 for $1. And they're actually the traditional bowl that they use in Syria. You find this dessert made in this. And what's nice about it is that it's disposable. So, you can eat it and just trash it. I'm going to wait for my dessert to cool for a little bit because we have plastic bowls. We don't want it to melt. So I've let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to start scooping them up in my bowls. You want to leave a little space on the top because we're going to decorate it. So now that I scooped up all my bowls, I just wanted to let you know this recipe makes 12 bowls. So it's going to be 12 servings. And now for our whipped cream topping, we're going to add 1 pint of extra cold heavy whipping cream. And what I mean by extra cold is you want to make sure you take it literally from the refrigerator and then pour it into your bowl. The colder, the better. We're going to whisk it with our mixer until it thickens to a thick, creamy consistency. And you want to have stiff peaks just like this. Now our whipped cream is ready to put in our piping bag. I'm using a cake decorating tip, and what I found it easy to add your whipped cream inside the bag is put your piping bag inside a large cup and then add your whipped cream in there. Store your piping bag in the refrigerator. The pudding needs at least 4 hours to cool. So I let my محلاية cool overnight. I have here some almonds, some pistachios, and some Marciano cherries, and then the whipped cream that we made. This is how I'm going to decorate it. You're going to put whipped cream down the middle, and then you're going to put your nuts on each side, and then the cherry right in the middle. And you're gonna keep doing that with the rest. Now, if you're not gonna eat them right away, do not decorate them. Decorate them before serving. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.